Dude, perfect. The life and legacy of the world's biggest trickshot team. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the life and legacy of Dude Perfect, the world's biggest trickshot team. Dude Perfect is known for its amazing trick shots and entertaining videos. They have over 59 million subscribers on YouTube, and their videos have been viewed over 15 billion times. In this video, we're going to take a look at Dude Perfect's history, its success, and how they give back to the community. We'll also talk about how much they earn and how they started their YouTube channel. So, if you're a fan of Dude Perfect, or if you're just curious to learn more about them, stay tuned. Early life Dude Perfect is made up of 5 best friends: Tyler Toney, Garrett Hilbert, Cody Jones, Cory Cotton, and Coby Cotton. They grew up together in Frisco, Texas, and they started making trickshot videos together in high school. In 2009, Dude Perfect uploaded their first video to YouTube. The video was a simple trickshot compilation, but it quickly went viral. Dude Perfect's videos quickly became popular, and they soon became one of the most popular channels on YouTube. How they make money. Dude Perfect makes money from a variety of sources, including YouTube ad revenue. Dude Perfect earns money from the ads that are played before, during, and after their videos. Sponsorships. Dude Perfect is sponsored by a number of brands, including Nike, Gatorade, and GoPro. Merchandise. Dude Perfect sells its own merchandise, such as t-shirts, hoodies, and hats. Tours and events. Dude Perfect often goes on tour and performs at events. How much they earn. Dude Perfect's exact earnings are unknown, but it is estimated that they earn millions of dollars each year. In 2021, Forbes estimated that they earned $20 million, making them one of the highest-paid YouTube channels of the year. How they give back. Dude Perfect is passionate about giving back to the community. They have donated millions of dollars to charities and educational institutions. They have also started their own foundation, the Dude Perfect Foundation, which supports a variety of causes. For example, in 2020, Dude Perfect donated $1 million to the COVID-19 relief effort. They have also donated money to build schools in developing countries and to support programs that help children in need. Dude Perfect's impact. Dude Perfect has had a major impact on YouTube and on society as a whole. They have helped to popularize the genre of trickshot videos. They have also shown that it is possible to be successful and wealthy while also being generous and kind. Dude Perfect is an inspiration to many people, and their story shows that it is possible to achieve your dreams and make a difference in the world. Here is some additional information about Dude Perfect. They have won numerous awards for their videos, including the ESP Award for Best Sports Personality in 2016 and the Streamy Award for Best Sports Channel in 2017. They have also appeared on several popular TV shows, such as The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon and Good Morning America. In 2016, Dude Perfect released their own book, Dude Perfect 101, Tricks, Tips, and Stories from the World's Greatest Trickshot Team. They have also toured the world with their live show, Dude Perfect Live. Dude Perfect is known for its positive attitude and its commitment to creating family-friendly content. They are also known for their close friendship and their support for each other. Dude Perfect is the world's biggest trickshot team and one of the most popular YouTube channels in the world. They are known for their amazing trick shots, their entertaining videos, and their generosity. Dude Perfect has had a major impact on YouTube and on society as a whole. They have helped to popularize the genre of trickshot videos, and they have shown that it is possible to be successful and wealthy while also being generous and kind. Dude Perfect is an inspiration to many people, and their story shows that it is possible to achieve your dreams and make a difference in the world. Thank you for watching this video on the life and legacy of Dude Perfect. I hope you enjoyed learning about this amazing team. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on YouTube, trick shots, and giving back to the community. And remember, if you have a dream, go for it. Dude, perfect is proof that anything is possible.